ready. Satideh Mawnin Runnings back. We'll leave a laughter at the nice lady there. What's your topic? You don't have a topic? Don't worry. Them have all the hot topics. Just come Saturday morning, November 9 at 10 o'clock. And bring yourself, bring your laughter, and bring your topic. It may just be a topic. Satideh Mawnin Runnings back. Saturday, November 9 at 10 o'clock. See you there.
Satideh Mawnin Runnings are come back. I know no miss week, no mind. Been busy, you see, man. But guess what? We are at 10 on Saturday morning and inside the zone with Lady D and the crew. Can't wait to see you now. Come join me.
Maxine Lanzier, aka Maxport, announcing the return of Saturday Morning Runnings, happening this Saturday, November 9th at 10 a.m. sharp. Yes, come put in on a 2 cent, where we give away 4 cents. Blessings and love, looking forward to seeing you all.
Howdy, nice and decent people. You want to see Saturday morning runnings are forward. This is Saturday morning you are come. So run, no walk. Remember say it named Saturday morning running. So run come, make we talk up the things them a long time in a soon, you know.